We won't be using the official YouTube application for this because we will need Safari if we want to play YouTube in the background. So I'm gonna open my Safari web browser, and then we need to go over to YouTube's official website. Just type YouTube in the search bar, and you should get this search result from Google. Just tap on youtube.com right here, and that should automatically open the YouTube web version in Safari. But if you tap on the YouTube site, and it redirects you to the official YouTube app on your iPhone, then you want to go back. Then long press on the link until this window pops up with these options. You want to click on Open in New Tab. And this is just what we need. All we have to do now is to find a video which we want to play in the background. I'm gonna select a song from the YouTube audio library, but you can do this with any video on YouTube. It really doesn't matter. We will open the video on YouTube, and this step is now very important. When you open your video and it starts playing, you want to tap on this little icon right here that's at the left side of the YouTube link. Then tap on the 3 dots at the right side. This is if you're running iOS 18 or later, but if you're using iOS 17 or an older version, you will see 2 little letters at the left side, so click on that. And then find this Request Desktop Website option. That is what we'll need. So when I click on that button, it's gonna open the full desktop version of YouTube on my device. And that's just what I need. Tap on the play option to start playing your video, and it should go into full screen like this. Tap on the video one more time until you see the controls, and then tap on this little minimize option at the top left. That's gonna put our video into sort of a mini player, and all we have to do is to exit Safari now. Your video will stop playing after you exit Safari and the YouTube website. But all you have to do is to open your control center, and then find the music controls in the control center. I'm on iOS 18, so they should be on the 2nd or 3rd page, and once you find the music controls, our video should be here, and it's paused. Just tap on the play button, and your video will now start playing in the background. You can close the control center, and use other apps on your iPhone, and the video will still play in the background. But that's it, everyone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.